Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing beautiful woman crocheted earring design, stylish jewelry ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, new designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy woman crocheted earring design, stylish jewelry ideas. Beautiful patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make. If you want to buy this very beautiful crocheted earring design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful earrings online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. You can visit your market or shopping malls and buy these very beautiful earrings. Every design is different one another. Beautiful and trendy, decorated with flowers, beaded stones, putai, stylish ideas for stylish ladies. You can see, you can easily make these very beautiful earrings if you know crochet work. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy woman stylish crocheted earring designs, knitted patterns. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.